welcome back. This is Bree with My Lavender Pages, and I bet you can take a guess at what we're going to be planning today. We're going to plan March. Yep, and I'm doing it by myself this time. My family's all gone. They won't be back for a little bit, so I thought, oh, this is a perfect time. I got the base of March all set up. It's relaxing. I did it during work. It's very relaxing and soothing to draw out the grid and put down the date dots and everything. I have not done anything with my habit tracker, which will go here. I haven't figured out yet what I'm going to do with this page, because if I continue my 2-page daily spread, that should start here, right here. So I have a blank page at the moment to try and figure out what I want to do with it. I thought I would start by putting down the tab. So these are Coffee Monsterz Co tabs. They are on different sticker paper. They're like on a vinyl paper. And she has a light gray mark for where you put it on the page so that it sticks out just like all the others. So that goes like that. Okay, there's our March calendar tab. And then I have a little washi tab where my habit tracker goes. So when I get that set up, I'll put a spring. This is the seasonal washi, so I will use the spring section to create a tab for where my habit tracker is. Okay, let's get out the monthly calendar. We're going to pull this out from its normal spot. And let's go back to March that now has a tab. And this, I went through and tried to update everything that I need to make sure I know what is going on for March. So I'm going to set that, I'm running out of room, over here. Probably put it in the writing box so that it's all propped up. Oh yeah, that'll work. Great. Okay. Usually first thing is to put down the dots for work. So I'm going to do that really quick. This looks like Lucky Charms. I love it. Okay, where's my tweezers? Okay, I'm going to put down the dots. This is going to take me a minute. And give me just a sec. Okay, here's the work schedule. First big event of the month is family dinner on Sunday the 5th, and I would like a bigger box. Let's do this rainbow box because I have family who live in Australia. And my parents are going to go see them they leave on the 19th, and we're doing a US-Australia cousins candy exchange. So all of the cousins get to go to the store and pick out their favorite candy to send to Australia. And then the Australia cousins are going to return the favor. Let's pull out the holidays. Did she do... So we have St. Patrick's Day, which I'm going to need, but we don't... See, I've got my workout ones too. We don't have daylight savings. So daylight savings, for those of us that live in the US, unfortunately, is the 11th to the 12th. Like, it starts at 2 a.m. So just put that across here. Then on Thursday the 16th, let's use this rainbow one. It is a half day at school. Then on the 17th, gotta use green. On the 17th, there is no school. Now, I need to get my washi strips out. And we are going to use the blue and the pink. So, we're going to start with the blue. My family and I, we leave late Friday night, the 17th. And we are going to Texas for spring break and staying with my brother-in-law and their family for an entire week. And my in-laws family, my in-laws, there are essentially two sets of grandkids. There are the older grandkids, which are between the ages of 17 and 12. And then there's the younger grandkids, which are between the ages of 9 and 3. And my kids are part of the younger grandkid group. So the cousins that are the closest to them in age live in Texas, which is kind of a bummer. So we thought we'd take our kids, let them go see the ocean for the first time, and go to Texas. So that's what we're doing. I'm going to use the blue. Actually, let's use yellow because we've got blue washi. And we'll put some of our flight information right there. And then this is when we come home. Then my kids have a party, a church party on the 25th. And better get my St. Patrick's little guy here before all the space disappears. Okay. I'm going to use the rest of these fun labels to plan our events on our trip. This is crooked. How much do I care? I care. So I'm going to save, I haven't talked to my sister-in-law yet. I don't know what days we're doing what. I know we want to go to Galveston, so I'm going to save the rest of these labels for that. Let's get down the March monthly sticker. That right here. And she has some super cute cloud deco that goes with it. So put those there. And put this cute little cloud here. Then, sidebar. How did I do the sidebar in February? Okay. So for March, we're gonna line this up right here. And put the number 3 for March. Right. I'm sorry, you guys are going to see my head. I'm going to put that right underneath it. Okay. Now, my husband, we're going to use some of these ones. So my husband gets paid on the 15th and last day of every month. And I get paid every Friday, so for me that's normal. Oh, and he gets paid on the 1st. He has 3 paydays. So the 1st, the 15th, and the last day of the month. Then my credit card points that I get to use buy Coffee Monsterz Co stickers comes in on the 5th and the 11th, and that's what I use to get all my fun stickers. Then I get days off on Friday. Well, we have some fun things planned these 2 Fridays. So I'm going to put on this particular Friday the day off sticker because I will probably still be recovering from our big family trip. Then we don't have any birthdays in March, which is kind of a bummer. So I have some cute little birthday balloons. And I do carpool on Thursday. So let's put a little blue car on the 9th and the little yellow car on the 30th because the kids have school those days. And then we need to put down our wacky holidays. So on the 6th, it is Oreo Day. On the 9th, it is Panic Day. On the 16th, it is Panda Day. And on the 21st, it is Poetry Day. And then this is I use this little calendar tracker for my walking. And then I would like to use these 2 washi strips right here along the top. So I'm going to turn this upside down. It's just easier for me to do it upside down. Okay, here's this washi strip. We're going to go 1 square from the top. And then take this off. And then here's this rainbow cloud one. Again, we're going to go 1 square from the top. Come straight across. Okay, so there's that. Let's put this one right here. Gotta use it all up because it's so cute. It's kind of hard when you have washi on your finger already. Okay, and then this rainbow cloud one, we're gonna put right here in the middle. All right, wow. That washi makes all the difference on how cute this comes out. See, I like this. It matched, it was cute, but I mean, you guys, that is just, I'm going to be looking at that for a whole month and I'm going to love every second of it. Okay, let me put some stuff in. I'm going to speed this up because I hope I can write slow. My hands are a little shaky today, so I hope I can write slow. I did put a bar down for church. I'm not going to have room on that one, so let's do... Church for me is always pink or red. So let's do a dot for church on that. And then, sorry about that, my husband called. Okay, so if I use the pink stripey there, it matches. So let's put the pink stripey right here. And we'll do the green polka dotties right here. Okay. I have all of this left. I have all of these left. I have this washi left. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. Okay, let me write some stuff in and I'll be right back with you. Okay, there is March. You know, it's always so funny when I finish planning a month and I look at it, I'm like, oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. It's so clean. I can see what's going on, excuse me. And then you look at it towards the end of the month and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's a mess. Yeah. And yet, I keep doing it the same way every time. Oh my goodness, I love it. This is so pretty. So Helen, if by chance, for some reason, you are watching my YouTube channel, which you probably aren't, but for some reason, if you ever do, thank you for being so talented and creative and sharing your talent with the rest of us. This just makes me happy. It just makes me happy. Alrighty, you guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. I hope everybody's doing well. Happy spring, happy March. It's coming, things are getting warm, and I'm so excited. Take care, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.